Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today I have a special guest, my daughter Talia, and she is going to show you how to make chocolate cherry nice cream.
Whole food plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So let's get into it. First, we're going to start with a bag of cherries here, and the exact measurements will be in the link below. So we just have a bag of, these are sweet dark cherries. Alright. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of our vanilla extract here, and this makes it really tasty. And next is the cocoa, and I really like this cocoa. I think it gives it a really, really great flavor. So we're going to do about 2.5 tablespoons of that. And then lastly is just our almond milk here, and this is a unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and you can find this, we got this from Harris Teeter, but Whole Foods has one like it. And yeah. It's really great. It adds to that vanilla flavor. Love it. And we do it just below the cherries here. There. And we don't add any dates or anything because the cherries are nice and sweet as is. And then we're just going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. All right. That looks really good. So it's nice and thick, kind of like ice cream here. I'm just gonna pour a cup here. I like a lot. And now it's time to taste it. That's really tasty.
I get to try it too. So good. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more of our great recipes. And if you want to be more a part of our community, follow the link below to our Patreon site and become a part of our Patreon plant-based community. And we'll see you next time.